This is a gold brooch that I got from Chanel, and I love the little hearts. Possibly the most expensive costume jewelry that I own, but I have been able to use it in so many different ways that just help me internally justify the cost of this brooch. Starting with the first usage, you would have seen in my festive bag video, but I just put it on this crochet bag. It really helps add a pop of focus for your bag and make your bag just stand out a bit more. You will never have the same bag as the other person. You can even just do like a bunch of brooches on your fabric bag or put it on, let's say, on the side for a more subtle look. I have recently got this, very much inspired by the Chanel 22, this denim bag. I just put the brooch on the side. Now it looks like a little Chanel bag. I just love how a simple brooch can really make something that's pretty affordable instantly look really expensive. This is almost like a luxury handbag hack if you are not sure that you want to invest in a pretty trendy luxury bag, or if you just don't have the budget, then you can totally go for a luxury brooch and add it to your existing, I would say, fabric bags. I would definitely not add this to a leather bag, but anything that's fabric would just blend so seamlessly with the brooch. The next hack is to put it on your beanie. Doesn't it look like I now have a Chanel beanie but with just a simple brooch? I feel like this is possibly the most deceiving hack. It really does look like a Chanel beanie. You can also put it on your beret, which is so cute. I probably should put it slightly more higher up, but you get what I mean. This is such an easy way, again, to make your accessory look more luxe. Another way to style is to put your brooch on your scarf to add a pop of color, an area of attention, especially in the winter months. If you feel like you can't really wear pretty necklaces or you just don't want to wear jewelry on yourself, then a hack is to put jewelry on your clothing pieces or accessories to still get the shiny, attention-grabbing effect. Obviously, you can wear your brooch as a brooch on your coats or jackets, especially because these tweed or boucle jackets are so popular. This is the easiest hack to get a Chanel tweed jacket but with a fraction of the price. Also, don't forget to use your brooch on your knitwear. I would probably never buy a Chanel sweater, but I would totally wear my affordable sweater with my Chanel brooch to really get a very similar look. And it doesn't look weird either because this brooch is really flat. It almost does feel like it's just kind of a piece of jewelry on your knitwear. You can also add your brooch to your fabric belt. I think it works best when you're wearing a belted coat in the winter time. It just becomes kind of the center of attention in your outerwear. Another thing I haven't seen really a lot of people do is to actually use your brooch as a pendant for your necklace, and it works for any necklace. You just have to attach the brooch onto the necklace. I actually do like how the logo isn't like straight up like this and it's a little bit tilted because it just adds more fluidity to your statement necklace. It works so well against like a layering knitwear. Such an easy way to turn your dainty jewelry into statement jewelry. Another unconventional way of using a brooch, I don't think I've truly seen any single person done this, is to add it to your shoelace. Especially most sneakers has this middle like loop to keep the shoelaces in place, so just thread it through the middle loop. It does require you having two brooches to make a pair, but I actually think this asymmetrical look is still pretty cool. I just love how a simple brooch can instantly make your sneaker look even more expensive and luxe. If you have headbands, imagine your brooch on your headband, like on the side. I am so obsessed. Also, while we're on the head accessories, you can even, because I have a little pigtail today, just thread it through your braid and turn this into a hair accessory. How fun! I am now convincing myself that I need more brooches, hopefully more Chanel brooches. Let me know in the comments what other creative ways you have come up with to style brooches.